Namaste. Thank you for stopping by our YouTube channel, What About Nepal? I'm Amma, and today we're talking about the mosquito issue with the dengue fever and all. Because of global warming, it's here in the valley. So, and actually it's even up sometimes somebody said the ABC, the Annapurna Circuit. So you do need to be careful, you need to be aware. What to do? Don't cancel your trip, but try a couple of these things. Get shampoo that's hypoallergenic and no fragrance. Bring that. When you get here, you can get a vial of the lavender essential oil, and then you'll put just a little bit in it. It's like $5 less probably for the little vial. So mosquitoes really don't like lavender. You can get the soap also here, which we have the footage of. But what I have that I found very helpful are these lovely bats. They actually, you can just zap these things. They do make a noise, so if it's at night in your hotel room and you're with somebody else, it'll be pop, pop, and it'll wake them up. So you have to make sure you agree that that's within the rules. So it has a little flashlight, and that way, you know, sometimes they buzz around and you can't find them. Well, this really gets them. So there's that. Lavender room freshener. This, I know my Nepali friends are going to be laughing. This is mostly used for the bathroom, but this is good because it can go right in your suitcase. If you're outside, you might like the coil. You just light these, and they're nice. Or there's also this little thing you can get, and that's also nice. But my favorite thing is before you leave home, if you can, if you're in a country that has Avon products, Skin So Soft is amazing for the insects because it's like so fine they literally drown in the oil. Many people don't realize that mosquitoes are excellent pollinators and only bite when the female is pregnant. Like most of our videos, this isn't to supersede any other information. I like natural remedies, so we are focusing on them. But the main thing is to help you to stay safe, to help you to know what's available here in Nepal, which will give you a clue as to what to expect in other developing countries. There is just nothing worse than filling your valuable suitcase space with stuff you can find for cheaper when you get to where you're going. Notice the variety of incense. Be sure you don't get flowery scent unless it's lavender. Otherwise, you may be drawing mosquitoes. But lavender incense will be very helpful. Here I am in a little tea shop with a lot of surprises for you. First of all, we have this that the owner showed us. You can get this in the mini mart, and you just put this on, and it's got the little adapter thing. You can just, and this will keep the mosquitoes away. Then they have this, which you can buy in the mini marts for 130 rupee or $1.30 or $1.20.
Just apply it here, and you don't have to worry for 2-3 hours for a mosquito. It's very handy. You keep it in your pocket.
But that's after they bite you.
No.
Oh, before.
Then now the smell, they won't come near you.
And then this mosquito patch. Now this is from India. And where did he say this was from? Singapore. This is from Singapore. But you can buy this in Nepal also. This is soap, yes? The soap that is lavender. So you can get the soap like this. And lavender is well known for being a repellent for mosquitoes. So is very nice. It's organic and all. And then we have this one that is the cold press. This is very nice. I'm not sure if this one is cold pressed. This is cold pressed and all organic. We also have the essential oil, lavender. And you can get a little sprayer, or you can bring from home, mix it with some water, and then just spray it before you go out. You'll smell nice, and the mosquitoes won't think you smell so nice. This is the good old-fashioned benign kind of mosquito. This big guy is the kind that can carry dengue fever. However, even if you do get bit, it doesn't mean you're infected. There must have been a human to infect the mosquito, for one thing. So, does all this mean cancel your trip? No, of course not. But I do strongly suggest travel insurance. And if you don't have any yet, we do have an affiliate link that helps support the channel, and it's a platform so you can do the shopping like Amazon or Expedia. They don't have the product, but they work with the supplier. So, hope you enjoyed the video. The reason to get insurance is because, from what I understand, the government hospitals and the private hospitals don't have the kits to test for dengue and to provide the best care for you. And they might not even have netting in. Well, yeah, I think they do have nets. So anyway, you want to have safe, good traveler insurance, and this platform will help you do that. And so I do hope you come to Nepal, and hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Subscribe.